Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so bored. Today I'll be showing you how to make this skirt. It's super easy and a quick sew. For this tutorial, I'll be using the skirt called Rory from Simple Life Pattern. The first few pages will show you the pattern info and some tips. All seam allowances are 3/8 of an inch unless it's otherwise noted. Here you can also fill out the measurement of your child's size. You can print the patterns out and tape them together. This skirt has several different varieties that you can choose from. For my tutorial, I'll be using the circle asymmetrical with the pocketed shorts. I'm using a projector to cut out my patterns. This skirt has 2 layers, the top layer and the bottom layer. This pink fabric will be the under layer of the skirt. This honeycomb will be the top layer of the skirt. Here I'm cutting the undershorts with side pockets. Make sure to cut only the front and back side and leave the middle empty. Here I'm cutting the waistband. Make sure you check your stretch before you cut. Next, I am cutting the shorts pocket and the shorts side panel. Lay out all your undershorts pieces together. Place the shorts pocket right side together on top of the short side panel. Now take your waistband and fold them in half. Right sides together, matching the short rod edges. Now sew or serge the short seam. Fold your waistband in half lengthwise, matching the raw edges. Clip or mark the half points and quarter points of the waistband. Grab the side panel, the larger piece, and the shorts pocket pieces. With right sides together, matching the top, flip it over, and fold down the side panel. Base stitch all 3 layers. Take your front and back shorts fabric and lay them out. The top of all pieces should lay in a diagonal direction. Place your pocket panel on top of the back shorts, right sides together, and do the same thing for the front shorts, right sides together. Clip all pieces together and sew, and repeat the other side. I'm using a serger to sew all my pieces, but you can use a regular sewing machine using a zigzag stitch for knit fabric. Serger machine gives a nice edge finish to the garment. Serge or sew the other front and back shorts to the panel. Lay your shorts on top of each other, right sides together. Sew the front and back crotch seams. Match up the inseam with the fabric right sides together. Serge or sew the inseam. We're almost done with the shorts. Fold the shorts hem about 1/2 inch or 1 inch and then stitch. I'm using a cover stitch, which is a machine that can finish the hem and gives a double stitch look on the top. Stitch both sides of the shorts. Lay out the semi-completed shorts and cut off all loose thread. Mark or clip the center and quarter points on the top. Do the same with the top layer of the skirt. Mark or clip the center point and the quarter points. Take the underskirt and mark the center points and the quarter points. Take the 2 skirts together, place the outer layer over the inner layer skirt, matching the center points and the quarter points clipped together. Grab the waistband and clip onto the wrong side of the shorts. Here I'll be showing you how to make a hidden seam. The seam will be on the outside of the shorts, but on the inside of the skirt. Be sure to flip the waistband to the top and clip the right side of the skirt to the waistband. Now open up the skirt and you can see the seam is hidden. Now sew all the layers of the waistband with the skirt and hem the bottom of the skirts. Now you're all finished with this beautiful, adorable skirt. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and follow my channel.